How to buy Degen Kartel token. Now this token came under the symbol of DGK. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money to also crypto. Use the referral code simply use the codes below. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account. Enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 1 day ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token trending number 5 right now in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just click here to copy the token of this from here, as you can see. Now after that, open your function wallet for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token on this, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select provider, for example, the picture. Make sure to read all of that information here. Click on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy DGK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.